In 1816, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, plunging the world into a terrifying year without summer. Crops failed globally. Temperatures dropped dramatically. In Switzerland, a group of young writers, Mary Shelley, Lord Byron, and John Polidori, huddled in a villa, trapped by endless rain and cold. Bored and haunted by the apocalyptic landscape, they challenged each other to write the most terrifying story. From that dark moment, Mary Shelley conceived Frankenstein, a groundbreaking novel born from volcanic ash and human desperation. One catastrophic eruption accidentally birthed modern science fiction.